Hello, today we will guide you through how to study a book in Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. This is where you'll organize your source material and use built-in tools to explore and study a book more effectively. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next actions feel more intuitive. Next, copy the sample book link from your resources. This link will be the source Notebooklm uses to bring the book into your workspace. Make sure you copy the full link before moving on, since this will save time when you're ready to add it. After that, look to the top right area of the screen for the Create New option. This is the starting point for building a fresh notebook around the book you want to study. When you find it, go ahead and click Create New to open a new notebook setup. Now paste the copied link into the source field. This tells Notebooklm what content to import. After pasting it, click the arrow forward button to continue. At this point, the tool will begin processing the link and preparing the content for your notebook. Depending on your connection and the source, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time if needed. Once the link has been entered, you may see a suggestion appear to help improve or guide your notebook creation. Click the suggestion that appears. This can help Notebooklm structure the material in a more useful way, making it easier to study the book and work with its content inside the notebook. When your notebook is ready, move to the top right section again and click Audio Overview. This option is helpful if you want to explore the material in an audio-friendly format. It can be especially useful for reviewing key ideas while multitasking or for getting a different perspective on the content. From there, click Slide Deck. This gives you another way to interact with the book material by turning the information into a more visual presentation format. It's a good option if you want to review ideas in a structured, high-level way. Finally, click Video Overview. This allows you to view the content in a video-style summary format, which can make studying feel more engaging and easier to absorb, especially when reviewing major concepts. That's it. You've now set up a book in Notebooklm and explored several built-in ways to study it, including suggestions, audio, slides, and video overview tools.